Cosmological Argument. Whatever begins to exist has a cause. The universe began to exist, therefore the universe has a cause. Whatever begins to exist has a cause. You cannot get something from nothing. Every effect we observe has a cause behind it. The universe was the effect. God could be the cause. Sir Edwin Hubble invented Hubble telescope in 1929 and observed that the galaxies were moving away from each other. The universe was expanding. It started expanding from a single point in the finite past. It was a monumental discovery. Sir Einstein went to see Hubble telescope and to see for himself that the universe was expanding. This meant that the universe had a definite beginning. The discovery of cosmic microwave background radiation in 1964 was another proof that the universe had a beginning. This discovery was made by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson. For their groundbreaking discovery, Penzias and Wilson were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1978. The Big Bang theory states that the universe began from a single point called singularity. The universe underwent a rapid expansion, and this was the birth of matter, space, energy, and time. A Belgian scientist, Georges Lemaitre, in 1931, proposed that the universe began from a tiny atom. He proposed this after studying the work of Sir Edwin Hubble, that the galaxies are moving away from each other and the universe is expanding. Another proof that the universe had a beginning comes from the second law of thermodynamics. It states the total entropy of an isolated system can only increase over time. Entropy means the unavailability of usable energy or disorder. Our universe is an isolated system. If the universe had existed from an infinite past, then no usable energy would have been available today. It would have ran out of usable energy an infinite time ago. The universe began to exist. Modern science shows the universe is not eternal. The Big Bang marks the beginning of time, space, matter, energy. Since the universe began to exist, it must have a cause outside the universe. This cause cannot be material because matter began at the Big Bang. This cause cannot be inside time because time began at the Big Bang. This cause cannot be caused by physical processes because physics began at the Big Bang. To create the universe, the cause must be uncaused. Nothing can cause itself. Timeless, as time was created by this cause. Spaceless, beyond the physical universe. Immaterial, non-physical, powerful, to bring the universe into existence. Personal, able to choose to create. These attributes match the classical understanding of God. Here is a question to atheists. Is there any life after death? What happens to us after we die?
What do you think happens when you die?
As Bertrand Russell said, I believe that when I die, I shall rot, and nothing of my ego shall remain.
That's it?
Yes.
The end. Nothing. There's nothing else.
How could it be otherwise? I mean, you have a brain, an evolved brain, which works by nerve impulses, and when that decays, what could possibly be left?
Atheist believes that his parents who died have rotted. He will rot after his death, and his children will rot too. Rotting is the only future that an atheist can see. Every atheist must be living in depression if rotting is all he can think of. In contrast, Qur'an, in chapter 13, verse 23, promises the reunion of parents, offsprings, and spouses in paradise, provided they were righteous. Qur'an, in chapter 2, verse 25, promises the believers who did good deeds, gardens in paradise, fruits, spouses, eternal life. Sir Edwin Hubble invented telescope in 1929 and made a discovery that the universe is expanding. Qur'an was revealed 1400 years ago and states we created the heavens, universe, with strength, and we are expanding it.